In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to live stream to YouTube directly from your phone. So this is gonna be straightforward, and let's get into it. What's going on, guys? My name is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools, helping you master live streaming. So sometimes you just need to go live and keep it simple from your phone. Maybe you are in a place where you don't have access to your computer and all the cameras. Since you have the camera on your phone, actually the YouTube mobile application allows you to go live, no problem. So what you need to do, the first requirement, obviously you need to have at least 50 subscribers or above. Okay, now if you have more than 1,000 subscribers, it's actually gonna be even better, because you're not gonna get limited in terms of how many viewers can actually attend your live stream. YouTube does state that if you have between over 50 subscribers and under 1,000 subscribers, you could actually get some limitations in terms of how many people or how many viewers you can get on your live stream. That's just a way to keep the YouTube community safe and avoid scammers. However, if you are over 50 subscribers, you should be okay. So when you need to do is you're gonna go ahead and actually get the YouTube mobile application. I have mine already opened. Okay, and what you need to do, usually if you have access to mobile live stream, you're gonna have this little plus sign here. Okay, make sure you actually sign into your YouTube account or your Gmail account that's associated to YouTube account, and you should be able to get access to this little plus icon here. So you want to make sure you go ahead and actually click to that little plus icon. Okay, and then once you get there, as you can see, so once you hit the plus icon, you have multiple options. You have the video option, which is if you want to upload a video to YouTube. You have a short if you want to create a short. You have a post if you want to post to community, to your community tab. For us, we're gonna be focusing on this one, which this one that says live. Okay, once you get here, obviously your phone is going to detect your camera, and by default may use your front facing camera. However, if you want to use your rear camera, you can actually still do that, no problem. But for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna go ahead and use this one. All right, the front facing camera. Now you have this little icon here. Okay, let's actually start on the top here, which is this icon here that allow you to look at some of the scheduled, pre-scheduled live streams. Right now we don't have any. Again, we're just gonna go live from the phone. Okay, the other icon here is to flip between cameras. Okay, and we have another pencil icon here that we're gonna be using a lot. Okay, so as you can see, you have your channel name on the top, and then the title is gonna be your channel's name. So if you don't change the title, it's gonna be your channel's name, which is mine is Live Production Tips and Tools, and it's gonna say is live. So however, you want to make sure you actually change the title and then make it more compelling to the audience. So depending on what you want to say, let's say new giveaway or whatever you want to say to your audience, make sure it's a sweet and nice title. The next thing is your visibility. If you want to set it to public, you're gonna go ahead and actually, in my opinion, probably want to make sure you go public, you go live publicly. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna keep mine unlisted because I don't want people to see me live right now. The next thing is you want to make sure you set it to if it's made for kids, you want to make sure you actually toggle or check the yes, it's made for kids option. But most of you guys, we're not making content. If you're not making content for kids, you want to make sure you choose no, it's not made for kids. Okay, another option here, you can actually toggle if you want to invite someone to join you on the live stream. So you want to have a guest on the live stream. If you guys watch Instagram, sometimes you can see like you can invite someone and they join you on the live stream. You can do that. So you need to toggle invite guest option here, but for now we don't need it. The next thing is our description. Now I have already my kind of pre-made default description, but you can go ahead and actually modify it, type in whatever you want, just to give the audience the context of your live stream, or maybe you have some links that you want people to look at, all the information you need to give to the people, and everything else you can leave the location the way it is. You don't have to change that. You can schedule it for later. Okay, you also have some advanced settings that will actually like allow chat if you want the chat to come in. If you don't want people to chat, you can actually turn it off and you're not gonna receive any chat. People are not gonna be able to send you messages. images. You also can toggle allow reactions if you want people to be sending you hearts and emojis and those cool stuff. You can do that. If you are monetized, okay, you can go ahead and actually toggle the monetization. I can go ahead and actually toggle it. Now this is crucial if you want to actually do vertical. They say it's recommended. Most of the time you're streaming from your mobile phone, probably having a vertical stream is awesome. However, sometimes you just want to do a horizontal stream where you're gonna look like the video that you're watching right now. You have that option as well, which is awesome. For advanced settings, next step, you're just gonna go ahead and click next. So on this next step, the phone is actually gonna give you like an automated thumbnail is gonna use, which is like a picture from your channel. However, personally, I like to use a custom made thumbnail. So you're gonna go ahead and actually click the pencil icon again and then go to take a thumbnail, which is gonna allow you to, if you want to do a quick thumbnail, you can actually go ahead and, you know, be like, you know, and it's gonna take a thumbnail. Okay, however, I don't like it personally. I like to pre-design my thumbnail ahead of time, so you can go ahead and actually use the upload thumbnail option. And I think I have an option here, a thumbnail that I have made before that it's actually well made. So you can do this. You can kind of pre-made your thumbnail, have it ready in your photos in your phone, and then hit save. As you can see, this is gonna look good when people are browsing on their home page on YouTube. They're gonna be able to see a nice thumbnail. Now, if you are monetized and you're part of the partner program and you have some product, maybe you're selling merch, you have t-shirts that you're selling, or you have other digital products like mine here. As you can see, I have a few products here that I can actually add. You can go ahead and actually add those products. So let me go ahead and actually add one, add one or two products and then hit save. Okay, if you want to feature those products on your live stream, they're gonna be able to actually be featured. So once you're done, all you gotta do is you're gonna go ahead and actually hit go live. And as you can see right now, I am live. Okay, so right now I don't have any messages coming in, but as you can see like the live chat and everything is gonna show up here. While you're live, you can switch cameras. You can also have like some presets. So if I go back to my other camera here, you can go to presets here and you can actually make sure your image looks good. Like this one actually kind of looks good for me, and make sure you kind of cute. And then you can also, you have your microphone. If you want to mute your microphone, have this option to kind of have like a highlight video that you can click on, but that's when you live. I believe you can use that as a highlight and actually be able to load it, right? That will actually be saved from your stream. And then you have this plus sign. If you hit it, you can actually start a poll on your live stream, which is an awesome thing to do if you want to kind of, you have something or you're going to get some opinions from your audience. You also have your products here that you can click on anytime. And as you can see, I can actually pin and pin some of the product if I want to. All right, so you can do that. Okay, pin to live stream. So if I do this, okay, again, people watching live, they're gonna be able to see the products pinned or unpinned. Okay, the next thing, we have these three buttons here that you can actually use to share the live stream. So I can actually go ahead and copy my link, and if I want to, I can actually go ahead and email myself the link and send it over WhatsApp. And as you can see, I'm watching myself on the stream. But again, you can use it to watch yourself on a computer or something, and that's gonna be something to try as well. So yeah, just be careful when you email yourself the link. If you go to watch the link, you may lose the stream because the phone is not gonna be able to handle watching itself in the same YouTube application and actually being able to stay live in the same YouTube application. So it's gonna crash. So make sure you don't do that. If you send the link to yourself, you can actually email it to yourself and watch it on another device. It's probably possible, or send it over something like WhatsApp. But other than that, once you're done, all you gotta do is you're gonna go ahead and actually hit the end button, and your live stream is gonna end, no problem. And you're gonna be able to actually see all the stars and everything back in YouTube Studio, no problem. However, this is gonna be able to work if you are on the go and you just wanna go live, no problem. Keep everything simple. But if you want to have a super customized experience with your live streams, something where you can have like a countdown timer, have something like a starting soon scene, have something like a chat doc kind of or the chat showing on your stream, have something, be able to add something like a lower third, be able to have like a scrolling text, kind of be able to have some graphics on screen that says stream ending soon. All those juicy customization. I have another video showing you step by step how to do exactly the same thing everything using your mobile phone and be able to have all the customization that I just mentioned. And the video is gonna be linked right here. We're gonna be using a different application that runs on mobile, and make sure you check it out, and I'll see you there, guys. Take care.